Today, I literally cooked the Redmi Note 17 in a frying pan with sauce to push its durability to the extreme. Was it just for fun, or did the phone actually survive this crazy torture test? Let's find out. The Redmi Note 17 has just been released, and it's a surprisingly interesting budget smartphone. Starting with the design, the phone has a distinctive look, thanks to its beautiful gradient finish on the back, giving it a more premium appearance than you'd normally expect at this price point. Although it's an entry-level device, the hardware is still well balanced for everyday use. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 series processor. While it isn't designed for heavy gaming or demanding workloads, it's more than capable of handling daily tasks such as browsing, social media, streaming videos, and messaging. It was even tested in Honor of Kings, where it maintained a stable 60 frames per second throughout an entire match without any noticeable frame drops. For regular users, performance is more than enough. One thing you'll immediately notice is that the phone looks taller than most smartphones. That's because Redmi has equipped the Note 17 with a large 7-inch display. Most modern smartphones feature screens between 6.7 and 6.9 inches, but despite the larger display, the phone hasn't become wider. Instead, it's slightly taller, giving it a slimmer, elongated appearance. Redmi has also added gentle curves around the back edges and corners, making the phone feel surprisingly comfortable to hold. The display itself is one of the biggest highlights. While many phones in this price range still use LCD panels, the Redmi Note 17 comes with an OLED display, which is much less common in the budget segment. It also uses E4 Pro luminous material and reaches a peak brightness of up to 1,800 nits, making it easy to see even under bright sunlight. Out of the box, the colors appear slightly more saturated, but users who prefer a more natural look can simply switch to the standard display mode. The screen also supports both PWM dimming and DC dimming, helping reduce eye strain during long periods of use. Battery life is another major selling point. Inside the phone is a massive 8,000 mAh battery. Combined with the power-efficient Snapdragon processor, it delivers excellent battery endurance that should easily last through a full day, or even longer with normal use. Charging is handled by 45-watt wired fast charging. While it isn't the fastest charging speed available today, it's perfectly reasonable considering the huge battery capacity. Another advantage is its broad charging compatibility. The 45-watt charging system supports not only Redmi's own fast charging protocol, but also several standard public charging protocols, making it much more convenient to use third-party chargers. The phone also supports 22.5 watts wired reverse charging, allowing it to function as a power bank to charge other smartphones or accessories whenever needed. The Redmi Note 17 is also a great choice for older family members. Many seniors don't need flagship-level performance, but they do value long battery life, reliability, and safety. Redmi has included a comprehensive AI anti-fraud system capable of detecting scam calls, AI face swap scams, suspicious web links, and potentially dangerous apps. These features provide an extra layer of protection against online fraud. In addition, the phone includes several family care features such as real-time location sharing, health data sharing, remote software management, security risk notifications, and emergency SOS. These tools are especially useful for families living apart, allowing children to keep an eye on their parents' phone safety and receive alerts if any potential risks are detected. Another thoughtful feature is the 200% super volume speaker. The louder audio makes phone calls much easier to hear, especially for elderly users or anyone with hearing difficulties. As for pricing, Redmi has not officially announced the final price yet. However, based on previous Redmi Note models, the base 6GB plus 128GB version is expected to start at around 1,300 to 1,400 yuan. The official launch event will confirm the final pricing, but if these estimates are accurate, the Redmi Note 17 could become one of the best value budget smartphones of the year.